ፓውል ኮክሴጅ ይባላል። ፈጠራ የታከለበትን ፈርኒቸር በመስራት ይታወቃል። ከአንድ ንጥል ወረቀት ተነስቶ የሰራውን ቴብል አብረን እንመልከት።
And even now when I jump on it, it still surprises me that it's perfectly poised and can hold my weight at the very end. It's a heavy piece, it's half a ton, 20 mil steel. Many people say to me, how is this possible? Is it fixed to the ground? It's one piece of metal, rolled, poised. In our first book, we discussed the poise for many reasons. It was the first piece that we did with a gallery, taking a single piece of paper and rolling it at an angle.
ይህ ብሪቲሽ አርክቴክት በለንደን ፓውል ኮክሴጅ ስቱዲዮን በመክፈት አስገራሚ የሆኑ የኢንቴሪየር ፈጠራዎችን ሰርቷል። ከሰራቸውን ፈርኒቸሮች መካከል በሜታልና ኮንክሪት ለሁለት ሰው የሚሆን መቀመጫን እንዴት እንደሰራው አብረን እንመልከት።
Took this thin piece of stainless steel, curled, pushed through the hole, and when we let go, it expands and locks. In our book, I describe the process of taking these thin materials and pushing them through holes. This block, I think, is over 2 tons. And when you climb onto it and sit, you feel cocooned from the outside world.
ስለዚህ ሰውም ለማወቅ ፓውል ኮክሴጅ ስቱዲዮ ብላችሁ ሰርች በማድረግ የሚሰራቸውን ድንቅ ስራዎች ማየት ትችላላችሁ።